Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Counter-Strike 2 game on your PC. Guys, first open up your Android browser, just search for the Steam website, then simply open it, then just click on this login option. Guys, here simply sign into your account. And if you don't have a Steam account, then you need to create account on Steam. Just scroll down and just create account on Steam. Guys, this is very simple. After that, just click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. Guys, once you click on that, download the Steam and install it on your PC. Simply click on this install Steam option, download the installer of Steam. So once you download and install the Steam on your PC, open it. Then just click on the top search box and just type here the game. Guys, once you type the Counter-Strike 2, this game appeared on the top. So open up this Counter-Strike 2 game. Now once you open up this game here, just scroll down, you will see the option of add to cart or add to library. So just click on this option of add to library you are seeing here, and now the Counter-Strike 2 will add to your library of Steam. Just go to the library of your Steam, and on the left hand side just find this game, then click on the install option, and that's how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please like it, and bye bye.